Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change keyboard in VIVO. So to start, you will need to get some alternative keyboard you would like to switch your default choice to. So let's say I'll go with the iOS keyboard app, for example. Green Apple keyboard, that's the app that I should be looking for. Green Apple keyboard, here it is. So as I've already said, make sure to have the respective app downloaded and installed on your phone, the app that allows you to, well, have an alternative keyboard. Now let's open it and set it up, or enable it rather. And now, once everything is set and you are ready to change your default keyboard, go into Settings, System, Languages and Input, then Advanced, On-Screen Keyboard, Default Keyboard, and switch it to whatever keyboard you've downloaded. In my case, that's Green Apple keyboard, and that's how it looks like. Alrighty, so that will be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.